it's timing. Timing is everything. The car has auto shut off, which is great for fuel economy. This is a 2024. I'm not even sure. This is one of our training vehicles. So I'm relaxed. I check my mirror. I'm looking. I don't want to change lanes in the intersection. The lane to the left, past the second light, they have to make a left turn. This lane can go straight or turn left. I'm going to go straight. Then I'm going to turn on my blinker on. I have some questions about merging on. I'm at 42 right now. I want to try to fit in behind this burgundy car. So I'm actually on my brakes, and then I let them get ahead of me, and then I accelerate out. That's the scariest thing for a beginner. And then I'm gonna get over one lane. You see me really checking. And then now we have a big traffic slowdown. So I'm gonna be really easy on my brakes and squeeze. And you can see how fast things slow down. If you're not careful, you're going to get rear-ended. And we don't want to get rear-ended. That does bring a little bit of anxiety. We want to rely on ourselves. We don't want to rely on other people putting on brakes. We have to rely on ourselves. That's so important. Then I'm going to gradually feed the throttle. This car takes off really fast. This might have a 10-speed transmission or 8, but each gear is shifting as you push the gas. And I'm trying to be as smooth and deliberate as possible. It's taking my time. Guys on the phone, I'm not judging, but I want to be safe. I'm going to make a lane change, mirror, turn signal. My neck really hurts. I slept kind of weird, and the last couple of days it's been really hard for me to look over my shoulder. So you got to look over your shoulder when you check your blind spots. Mirrors won't do it. We're all traveling about 55. And I'm looking left, middle, right, left, middle, right. Are we moving? Are we stopping? I'm always trying to get a picture of, a picture of the environment. And that stop kind of caught me off guard. And that's what happens. So you really, you can't be playing around, be distracted on your phone, eating. That's got to take your time. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to just take my time, keep space, because the number one reason why people speed is because they're late. I'm not late. I'm not tired.